This is a video about how to create a discussion activity. As an instructor, you can create a discussion for your course. In the navigation menu, select the discussions link. Then select Add Discussion. This is the area in which you can create the content for your discussion. In the title field, create a title for your discussion. Use the Rich Content Editor to create content for your discussion. Using the editor menu or toolbar, you can add links, files, and images. In the bottom right corner of the Rich Content Editor, you will find a keyboard shortcuts guide, accessibility checker, word count display, HTML editor, and full screen icon. You can also add an attachment to your discussion by clicking the Choose File button. Discussions can be graded or ungraded. Check the graded box if this discussion is meant to be graded. You can also select Allow Threaded Replies. To require users to reply to the discussion before they can see other replies, click the checkbox Users must post before seeing replies. To make the discussion a group discussion, click the This is a group discussion checkbox. This will open a window which allows you to set the group parameters. Enter dates in the Available From and Until fields to only make this discussion available to students for a particular amount of time, or click the calendar icons to select dates. Before the Available From date, students will only be able to view the discussion title. After the Until date, students can view the discussion topic and all responses, but cannot add or edit any responses. If you're ready to publish your discussion, click the Save and Publish button. If you want to create a draft for your discussion and publish it later, then click on the Save button.